way you move make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya.
Welcome back to today's video. Today's video is about the T3 Cura Luxe blow dryer. The blow dryer that is so quiet. I just want to see if that really works. Here it is. Our T3 Cura Luxe Cura Luxe dryer, hair dryer, to me to be the very best in the world for now. Okay, it comes with 2 drying concentrators. One to dry the hair, which is the bigger one, and second to style your hair. So first we're gonna dry our hair with the big one. It is so hard. Maybe I'm reading direct. It's a little difficult to insert. I don't want to break it. A little bit challenging to put the drying concentrator on, so you gotta really press it, concentrate, because you might break it, so be careful. The drying concentrator dry our hair. To dry our hair, you just press the on button. Wow, I thought this was gonna be, it turns on by itself. I thought this was gonna be really quiet, which is not. This is one of the reasons I got it, because I thought it was gonna be really quiet. It pauses and it turns on by itself. See, I haven't touched anything. It pauses and then it turns on by itself, which is kind of cool. Now, so these are the settings. Use it for the first time. It's supposed to be on the highest. You turn on the on again, and these are the settings. The highest. Isn't that cool? It turned on by itself. So this is, that's the. So I turn it off. Now I wanna switch it to the styling concentrator. Remove it. How do you take this off? I don't like this. It's very hard to take it off. So let's talk about this really quick. So it has technology digital ion air, just to protect your hair, to make it healthy and not dry. I'm not using any products right now, and it seems not too bad. But let's see once I style it, if I'm not gonna need any product. So it has 5 settings, like I was showing earlier. Right here, this button right here. When the light flashes, it will show. So you press up or down, whatever a setting you want, low or high or medium. And then it has the volume booster switch. This is when you use the styling booster switch. Let's try it out now. And as you guys can see, it's auto pause, so it goes on and off, on and off. Let's try the volume booster switch. So this is the volume booster switch. I'm just gonna put the styling concentrator. It's a little difficult to insert. Feels like you kind of break. No. There. This is the styling concentrator. Press on. This is the volume booster switch. Wow, my hair looks so soft. Like if I just use a product for styling my hair. I do like that switch booster volume button. Wow, look at this. I'm starting to like the machine. Definitely says you don't need a round brush. You don't need any brush to brush your hair once you're using the switch booster volume setting. It does still look a little frizzy, but there you go. Style it with the round brush. Always being scared to use these round brushes because I feel like it's gonna get tangled. Everybody's different. Oh, my hair is so soft. Wow, that's it for today. The #1 reason I bought the T3, and in the description that is quiet, the most quiet machine. No, it's not quiet, it's very loud, but I do like it because it does leave your hair smooth. Like you don't need to brush it or anything, or put any hair products. It's a little hard to put in the concentrators. I do like it pauses when you need to put it down. I did not use the cooling section. Well, I didn't need to, but it's right here, the cooling button. The #1 reason why nobody will want to buy it, because it's very expensive. The price is $250. $250. $50. I don't know why I bought it for that such a high price, but here we go. We all need a blow dryer, and we need it as fast, something fast that we can dry our hair, style our hair at the same time. And this is good. This is really good product for it. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's up to you if you want to buy it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, click that like button, and thanks for watching. I did learn that it is quiet. It's a little bit quieter than the speed is right. How high you want it, how loud you want it, and how quiet you want it. I was wrong. I thought it was very loud. So that's the quietest, that's loud, quiet, and I'm okay with it. It has two settings. One that is low and one that is high. It's not so quiet. I'm okay with that being that quiet. So this is pretty good.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind.